Hey everybody, it's Joe here with J Blake Photo. In today's video, I've got some details and new renders on the rumored Mavic 3 drone from DJI, so let's take a look. Now, before we get into this video, just a quick plug on the channel. If you like photography, videography, drones, action cameras, gear, and technology in general, and if you like videos like these where we talk about gear news, leaks, and reviews, I would very much appreciate a like. And if you enjoy this video, at the end, please hit subscribe. If you want to be alerted when I post a new video, hit the bell icon. And if you're into stills photography, I'd appreciate a follow over on Instagram where I post images from my adventures here on the channel. Thanks. And now let's talk about this drone. So we've been saying for the last few weeks that DJI is working on the next version of the flagship drone in the Mavic lineup. It's been 3 years since we got the Mavic 2 Pro and the Mavic 2 Zoom, so a replacement has been much anticipated. In a previous video that I posted, I went over our most recent leaks from the Portuguese video blogger Drone Modelissimo. So overnight, a Portuguese vlogger actually posted some information about what he claims is the DJI Mavic 3, and his report that the new Mavic would sport two different cameras, one with a 5.3K large sensor and the other with a 7x optical zoom. It was also reported that this drone would have 40+ minutes of flight time, an improved body, LiDAR sensing, and a revamped obstacle avoidance system. We also reported that the drone would be coming with built-in storage up to 2 terabytes, and that it would throw out the standard micro SD card in favor of the new storage. That may be in order to support the potential feature of ProRes video. Shooting ProRes at 422 in 10-bit at 4 or 5K would not only take a considerable amount of storage, but some serious bandwidth. This week, we have a few new details. First, it was postulated that there would be one version of the drone, but thanks to leaked renders and additional information coming through the clandestine sources on Chinese platform WeChat, Drone XL is reporting that we are once again going to be getting two different Mavics. But instead of one version that has a zoom camera and one version with a large sensor, both versions of the drone will come with the same imaging system. It's also been rumored that you can easily switch between the two cameras while in flight and while recording. I postulated that we might need the internal SSD to make it possible to record both streams at the same time and edit later. What will likely differentiate these two models is going to be the inclusion of that SSD storage. It seems we might be getting one with the 1 to 2 terabyte variety of fast storage on board, and another that will only allow us to use the older style micro SD cards like we currently have in the Mavics. Now, that might also come at the expense of the ProRes video feature. Now, you recall at the end of the year, DJI made it clear that they would not be releasing new drones into the US market until President Trump had left office. Now this year, we've started to see new drones. So who knows how long this was in development. Other new bits of information that we have include a new controller with a built-in screen, OcuSync 3.0, and a slightly larger size than the previous version. Much of the camera itself seems to be similar to the Mavic 2 Duo, having a smaller sensor in the zoom, 7x in this case, and still the 24mm equivalent on the larger 1-inch Hasselblad sensor, with a variable aperture of 2.8 to 11. This baddie looks like it's going to be dropping in November, just in time to land under the Christmas tree. No idea how much it's going to set you back, but as soon as I have that or any other new info, I will let you know. If you want to get updates when that happens, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. I'm working hard to crack 10,000 subscribers here on YouTube and would really appreciate you being a part of the journey with me. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and hit the like button, and I will see you in the next video.